Alright, so here's the thing. Extreme Home Makeover was just shot here in Fargo.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Really cool, right? A lot of people. We're going to capitalize on that wave, but we don't have enough money for a house.
No, we can't afford a bus to move.
Yeah, but we have Nomi, and she has a terrible, crappy desk. Just look at this thing.
I mean, just look how terrible that thing is.
It's so bland and boring.
I get depressed just looking at it.
Yeah. It's time for extreme desk makeover.
Let's do this.
Open that door! Open that door! Open that door!
I seriously hate you guys. What the hell? You put me next to the water? No, the calendar is supposed to be looking...
Hey, Naomi.
Hold on. Do you even knock anymore? Seriously?